So after you design something, what do? Sorry? You have to use it, you have to implement it, right? So this is where you go from thinking to doing. And in many cases, doing is like the most challenging part, yeah. So this is taken from the textbook. I don't think I'm going to go through it, but the idea is that you need to get the data, you need to get the instruments out, right? So there's mailing, there's emailing, there's telephone, and so on. You can read the textbook in terms of the pros and cons. Yeah, for example, if you email it, obviously everyone who doesn't have an email, which is very rare nowadays, would not be able to access it, and so on. So just go back to the textbook. I'm more excited talking about 21st century tools, yeah. So you can use established survey platforms, for example, Qualtrics and so on. I've used it. You can design the survey and then get the link out somehow. You can also do custom surveys. So the two-thirds of a million English speakers that they surveyed, they manage it through a custom website that they did, and then they distributed it via social media, Facebook, Twitter, and so on. So that's how they got like 600,000+ people. There are also other more recent tools in the last few years. There's crowdsourcing. So you go to Amazon, Mechanical Turk. There are people there who are paid to do tasks, including surveys. So there's like 500,000. If you want, you can access that. The sample tends to be very biased, Americans and Indians and Chinese and so on. There's a potential for a Singapore version of this, you know, like respondents who sign up, they get paid $22 or whatever to fill up a survey. I mean, I think there's scope for that. This is how you try to sort of get the subjects, right? Either online or in the sort of the 20th century, like emails, mails, or telephone, and so on. So